Samsung has just launched the new Galaxy M36 5G specifically in India. It features a side fingerprint sensor and comes in three colors: orange haze, velvet black, and sarin green. The display is a Super AMOLED 6.7 inches with full HD resolution, precisely 1080 by 2000. 340 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. In this regard, it seems quite complete to me. In addition, on the back we are also going to find an attractive design of the camera module, or at least different from what Samsung has us used to. As for the sound, it has stereo speakers, but no 3.5mm jack, and that will be one of its main absences. In the cameras, the front is 13 megapixels and can record in 4K, which is outstanding for the price range in which it intends to compete. In the rear camera system, we discover three distinct cameras. Firstly, there's the main camera, which is a 50-megapixel sensor equipped with optical stabilization. Next, we have an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. Finally, there's a 2-megapixel macro camera. Luckily, the back also allows for video recording in 4K. However, it is likely that this feature is only available with the main camera, though this would need to be confirmed once we have the device in hand and can thoroughly test it. The battery is 5000 mAh and it provides support for 25 watts of wired charging, which is exactly what you would expect from Samsung with no surprises at all. It appears that Samsung is quite comfortable in this area and hasn't really sought out many improvements in performance. It utilizes the processor Exynos 1380, a processor that is not that recent, but I think for the price it could compete well. It is built on a 5nm process and comes in configurations of 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of storage, expandable via microSD cards through the slot. Within the software, we will encounter One UI 7, which is based on Android 15, along with some new tools for artificial intelligence. These include features like Circle to Search and Samsung's highlights of Gemini Live from Google. However, this particular feature is available on other Android devices as well, so it isn't considered particularly unique. The initial price for the Galaxy M35? 5G in India with promotions and bank offers cost 16,499 rupees, which is roughly $198 at the exchange rate. Keep in mind that prices differ between here and there. We will have to wait a little later to know the price adapted to other regions in case Samsung decides to distribute this Galaxy M35 5G in other countries. For now, let me know your opinion if you think this Galaxy M35 5G is a better option than alternatives from some other brands like Redmi, Poco, Honor and others.